everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing my daily comment for Wednesday, October 12th. There are only second-tier indicators out today. The European day starts with the EU industrial production. Now, estimates have been revised up sharply since last week from 0.7% month-on-month to an expected 1.5% month-on-month rise. But with data for the four biggest EU economies, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain, already out, it's unlikely that the figure will be much of a surprise. The market consensus number would be a good result, but as it's already well discounted, it probably wouldn't have that much of an impact. When the U.S. day starts, we'll get the U.S. Job Opening and Labor Turnover Survey, the JOLTS report. This is, in effect, the flip side of the unemployment data. Instead of how many people are looking for jobs, it gives the number of jobs looking for people. It's expected to show a fall in the number of job openings. That could go some way to explaining why the non-farm payrolls is falling too. The other important figure to watch is the quits rate, the rate at which people voluntarily quit their jobs. When the job market is healthy, people are more likely to quit their jobs of their own accord. Whereas when it's hard to get a new job, people tend to stay in their current positions. Now, while these two indicators are really second tier, there will be some first tier news from the U.S. Fed. First comes a speech by New York Fed President William Dudley. A week ago, he gave a speech in which he recommended caution in removing monetary accommodation. So we can probably expect more relatively dovish comments from him that might be negative for the dollar. Then the FOMC will release the minutes of its closely watched September meeting. The reasoning behind their decision not to hike rates, to keep rates steady at that meeting, will be of great interest to the markets. Now, 3 people dissented from the decision to hold rates steady. How many were wavering? The minutes may give us more insight into the committee's thinking. I expect the minutes will give more ammunition to those people who expect a rate hike in December, and therefore it could be bullish for the dollar. Since there's so few economic indicators out today, there won't be a North American market comment today. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.